Guys, Iftikhar back again with another video, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the Infinix Hot 8 Pro version of the phone, which has been launched overall in Pakistan as well as the Asian countries, and this is going right now top brand. So what is so cool about this and why is it so trendy? Well, recently Infinix launched its Hot 8 version, and the biggest bang about it is that it's giving so much in less quantity. It means for those people who want so many features and wants things that could be compatible for to the 2020 year or the future and don't have that much money and don't have that much budget, so they want an economic pack. So this phone over here has a standard, and without further ado, let's get this unboxed. The thing that attracts everyone about this phone is that its memory is 64 GB internal as well as the 4 GB RAM, and it has this connectivity of GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and it has this 4G brand supported, and the lite version is only 3G supported, and this other Hot 8 version is the 4G supported as well as for the 3G. And the biggest catch on this is that this is the first 5000 mAh battery packed phone, meaning the best battery there is to a smartphone. So we'll get this open because I already had this open a little bit, and you can see that this is the original back of it. I don't want to open this. You can see that there's a fingerprint sensor and the triple rear cameras with flash and autofocus, uh, and after that we have this over here. We could see that, yeah, there is something inside, uh, and that they gave this too. So what's inside this is that, first of all, we get this cover, which is really classy and unique style. You can see a transparent cover with so many designs on the back, and then after that you can see this plastic protector. You could cover it, transparent screen protector, as well as the Infinix warranty card. You could return it in a year. You have a 1 year warranty of this phone. Anything happens to it, it breaks, so you could return it as soon as possible. X Club, a super membership of Infinix registration, and instruction booklet, instruction manual no one reads and no one even cares about. Okay, so yeah, and there's this thing that this is the first phone that is Google Files supported. No other phone has ever supported the Google Files, and this is the first time that Google Files has supported this. So that's why there's so special features related to it. It's the first Google File supported storage. This is the first Ultra Beast 5000 mAh charger that could charge up to 5000 mAh. And the headphones, what we get, and the data cable. Okay. After all of these, the thing what we want to see is the phone. So let's power this on. As I told you in the beginning that I already used it a little, so I'm gonna still be showing you what this phone actually has for us. I used it a couple of times, and I just had to make this unboxing video for all of you guys. And now, yeah, startup code. So I had my pin code 1122. Oh, I'm sorry, 1122. This is the first 6.6-inch display, meaning that Infinix has given us so much stuff in a really cheap price. Price you could be also seeing in the description down below if you want your Infinix phone. So this is the 6.6-inch display. You can see the top notch over here, a teardrop notch, what every phone is having right now. I have my 1122 pin code standard. Okay, so yeah, it is working really smooth. Nice processing speeds. 4 GB RAM supported. And let's check the camera. Camera is working really nice. And and there's beauty and a lot of other things. After this, now we could show you the internal system thing, and this is the 4 GB internal RAM, like as I said, 64 internal, as well as the SD card. You could put up to 128 GB or 256, as it was mentioned, and you could also uh, put two SIM slots for two SIMs if you have more than one SIM. 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front, 2.80 gigahertz processor, and Android Pie, which is the latest Android version 9. And I could get this updated too as well. But this phone is like one of the best right now there is, and I hope you guys go check this phone out. I have the link for this phone as well on some websites I have. And well, the thing is that I didn't buy this from any website. I just bought this from Hall Road in a good price. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a thumbs up, and I always like getting supported. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, just please don't hesitate and touch that red button. Nothing's gonna happen. You're only gonna give us benefit. Nothing's gonna happen to you, and it's not gonna cost anything. Just gonna support someone. So hope we see you guys next time. Thanks again. Bye.